Hi there, it's Teacher Ulrich here. Welcome back to Lesson 17. Today, let's get into Day 3, Class 3. For today's class, you will need activities 17B, 17C, and 17D. These three activities is what we will be doing for today's class. Let's start with activity 17B. Let's read the instruction. Just the right word. Replace each phrase in bold with a single word or form of the word from the word list. Great. Number 1. Al-Kufra is a well-known place where water is found in an otherwise dry area in Libya. So what is the word that can replace the phrase, place where water is found in an otherwise dry area? I'm sure you know. Oasis. Al-Kufra is a well-known oasis in Libya. Number 2. When children taunted her, it led to the gradual wearing away of her confidence. Which word can replace the phrase, gradual wearing away? Erosion. When children taunted her, it led to the erosion of her confidence. Number 3. The way the villagers draw water from the river may be the same as that used in very early times, but it is quite effective. Which word can replace the phrase, the same as that used in very early times? Primitive. The way the villagers draw water from the river may be primitive, but it is quite effective. Next, number 4. If the cow you bought is not capable of producing calves, the dealer will return the money you paid for it. Which word can replace the phrase, capable of producing calves? Do you remember? Fertile or fertile. If the cow you bought is not fertile, the dealer will return the money you paid for it. Next, number 5. Our breakfast usually is made up of cereal, milk, fruit, and juice. Which word can replace the phrase, is made up? Consists. Our breakfast usually consists of cereal, milk, fruit, and juice. What does your breakfast consist of? Next, number 6. Because the number of children taking tennis lessons is growing larger every year, we now offer 3 sessions during the summer. Which word can replace the phrase, growing larger? expanding. Because the number of children taking tennis lessons is expanding every year, we now offer 3 sessions during the summer. Next, number 7. Acid rain destroys lakes that once were filled with fish. Which word can replace the phrase were filled? Teemed. Acid rain destroys lakes that once teemed with fish. Number 8. President Roosevelt was made to suffer when he came down with polio at the age of 39. Made to suffer when he came down. So, cause of your suffering. Afflicted. President Roosevelt was afflicted with polio at the age of 39. Next, number 9. We provide grass for our goats in a neighbor's field. Provide grass for. Which word can replace that phrase? Pasture. We pasture our goats in the neighbor's field. And finally, number 10. Many persons fleeing for their safety from Nazi Germany came to the United States in the 1930s. Persons fleeing for their safety. What do we call those people? Refugees. Many refugees from Nazi Germany came to the United States in the 1930s. Now let's move on to activity 17C. First, with the instructions. Applying meanings. Circle the letter or letters next to each correct answer. There may be more than one correct answer. Great. Question 1. Which of the following might wither? A. Crops. B. Trees. C. Leaves. D. Beaches. I can see 3 that are correct. Which of the following might wither? A. Crops. B. Trees. C. Leaves. Dry out and die. Question 2. Which of the following could one expand? A. One's knowledge, so what you know. B. One's age. C. One's home. D. One's chest. Which of the following could one expand? A. One's knowledge. C. One's home. You can build onto it, make it bigger. D. One's chest. By breathing in. Those 3 are correct. Question 3. Which of the following can result from famine? A. Despair. B. Sickness. C. Death. D. Hunger. Which of the following can result from famine? A. Despair. People feeling hopeless. B. Sickness. C. Death. D. Hunger. Famine is an extended time with a shortage of food, little food. Question 4. Which of the following can be barren? A. A goat. B. A valley. C. A pear tree. D. A pasture. Which of the following can be barren? Can be barren. Remember, barren means not fruitful. Which of the following can be barren? A. A goat. If it cannot become pregnant, it can be barren. B. A valley, because it could be very dry. You can't plant anything there. C. A pear tree. When it does not produce pears, it is barren. And D. A pasture. If it does not produce grass, it is barren. Number 5. Which of the following might occur during a drought? A. Restrictions on water use. B. Forest fires. C. A yearning for rain. D. Flooding. I can see 3 that are correct. Which of the following might occur during a drought? A. Restrictions on water use. So restriction means they limit the water you can use. B. Forest fires. C. A yearning for rain. Those 3. Question 6. Which of the following can be fertile? A. A kitten. B. Soil. C. A mind. D. A morsel. Now I can see 2 that are correct. Which of the following can be fertile? B. Soil. C. A mind. A creative mind can be fertile. Question 7. Which of the following might one find in a pasture? A. Cargo. B. Cows. C. Sheep. D. Grass. I see 3 correct answers. Which of the following might one find in a pasture? B. Cows. C. Sheep. D. Grass. Question 8. Which of the following can be eroded? A. Soil. B. Confidence. C. Cliffs. D. Savings. Savings, that's the money you save. Which of the following can be eroded? A. Soil, by water, wind, or air. B. Confidence. If people jeer you, that will erode your confidence. C. Cliffs. A cliff by the ocean becomes round because it gets eroded by water. And D. Savings. If you spend too much money, it will erode your savings. Now these are the correct answers. Make sure you got them. Now let's move on to activity 17D. First, let's read our instruction. Word study. Homophones. Right? Homophones. Read the pairs of sentences. Then choose the word that best completes each sentence. Words that sound the same but have different meanings and or spellings are called homophones. So they sound the same, but their spelling and meanings are different, like two, two, and two, or 8 and 8. This one means 8, and this one means I ate breakfast. They sound the same, but they mean different and they're spelled differently. That's a homophone. Let's begin with number 1. It is idle and idle. Number 1. We didn't idle as we wanted to finish our chores quickly. Which idle is it? I-D-L-E, idle. Now, the second sentence is, the idol was made of gold with rubies for its eyes. So that is I-D-O-L, idol. Like a figurine, not a great word. Like a small statue, it's an idol. Something some religions pray to is an idol. Like for Buddhists, they pray to a statue of Buddha, that is their idol. Next, it is taper and taper. Number 3. The taper was dripping wax onto the table. This is T-A-P-E-R, taper. And number 4, the tapir is an animal with a long, flexible snout. T-A-P-I-R, tapir. Next, it is team and team. Number 5, the streets teem with tourists during the summer months. That is T-E-E-M, team. Number 6, may the best team win. That's T-E-A-M, like sports team. Next, it is rains and rains. Number 7, the chart lists the reigns of all the English kings and queens. That is R-E-I-G-N-S, reigns. Number 8, the reins are used to control horses. That is R-E-I-N-S, reins. Let's continue. Number 9. So the words are barren. Sorry, I cut it out, unfortunately. It is barren and baron. Barren. So barren and barren. That's for number 9 and 10. Number 9. The Sahara is what? Except for the occasional oasis. So the Sahara is a desert. It is barren. B-A-R-R-E-N. Number 10. A baron can sit in the British House of Lords. And that is B-A-R-O-N, baron. Next, it is minor and minor. Number 11. In the US, anyone under 18 is considered a minor. M-I-N-O-R. Number 12. Every gold miner in California hoped to strike it rich. That is M-I-N-E-R, minor. So the next one is flee and flee. A flea can jump many times its height. That is F-L-E-A. It's an insect, a flea. Number 14. Most people were able to flee inland before the hurricane struck. That is F-L-E-E, flee, run away. And for the next ones, it's hanger and hanger. The aircraft was wheeled out of the hangar. That is H-A-N-G-A-R, hangar. Number 16. I put the coat on a hanger and hung it in the closet. That is H-A-N-G-E-R, hanger. Very close, right? These homophones are tricky, so it's good to practice it for your future spelling. Make sure you got all the right words in the right places. And that is it for today's class. Friends, well done, and thank you for joining me. Remember to keep practicing and also to join me next in day 4. For the next lesson, or class rather, we'll be taking on activity 17E. To prepare for the next class, you can read the passage for this activity. Then bring the passage and the questions and we'll do it together in the next one. Friends, I hope you have a great day and I will see you next time. Goodbye for now. Bye.